Hey guys, Chelsea from Attention to Details here, and it is going to be a hot day today, and I've got this gorgeous blue Focus ST that I'm working on today, but the inside, it's not so beautiful. Let me show you what I'm working on. You can see we have a lot of short pet hair, and it is stuck in the fibers of the seat, so we have our work cut out for us today. And what I want to share with you guys, I'm going to do a quick review on this product right here, Car Ann's Linton Hair Removal Brush. I picked this up for $5.99 at Pep-Boys. I want to see if it actually can do a good job. I've got also my Lily brush. This is normally what I use for short hair, so we're going to kind of be able to see a comparison. If this doesn't work, I obviously have another tool, but for $5.99 I thought, why not, let's give it a try. So we're going to go ahead and suck up a majority of this debris, just doing a quick vacuuming, and we'll come back when we're ready to kind of work on the pet hair. Alright, so I actually went ahead, you can see I vacuumed, I've picked up a majority of the debris, but there's still a lot of embedded, what I would believe, cigarette ash, dirt, and pet hair. I've already kind of gone and stimulated, or kind of scrubbed this carpet, and you can see all that soot and everything that I've been able to get. What I really like about using brushes like this, especially like, let's say you have straw or grass, your kids play soccer and you're just throwing all your gear in the bag, and if you've got kind of impossible carpets like this, it's really great for just kind of getting in there, agitating. You're not damaging the fibers. You could use something like this. This is the Speedy Pet Stone. And watch, alright, so I could go over here, and it does a good job pulling it up, but you can also see, it's hard to see, but you're also going to pull up carpet fibers. So you have to be very careful when you're using these, because in certain situations it can damage the carpet, and you can already see right here from their foot, they've actually made a divot in the carpet. You can see my hand kind of, and the carpeting is already really matted and thin here. Now on areas where it's kind of clumped up, you could get in there, but you do have to be very careful with things like this around your plastics. It will scratch it. It's very abrasive. I could come over here with this. I don't care if I get the plastic. And that's doing a great job. I can be aggressive, get in there, get all of that stimulated and pulled to the surface. So we're going to go ahead and quick vacuum this up, and then I want to show you what this looks like working on seats. So give me a second to vacuum this up. So real quick, let's take a closer look at the carpets. Are they perfect? No. For $5.99, this did a great job though. You can get in close on your plastics, even your metals. You're not going to damage them. It's very durable. Nothing has broken off. Now mind you, this is just the first time using it. Did it get all of the hair that was kind of embedded? I'd say it got 90 to 95%. There's always those few hairs, especially when it's short hair, like you can see, they're really stuck in there. Sometimes the only way to get them out is to kind of use your fingernail and push it in the direction that it kind of is wedged in there. I don't think any pet hair brush is 100% going to get everything, and especially in the first or second passes. You can see we've got a lot of embedded dirt. I would take, a lot of agitation. I could take a really stiff brush and go over it a few more times. but for what it is, it did a great job. If you've got moderate pet hair, short pet hair, even long hair, this would be fantastic. It did a great job of kind of stirring up the straw, the ash, things like that. So I'm actually kind of impressed for, you know, it being only $5.99, something that I could just pick up at a local store. So I've already gone ahead and vacuumed this seat, but we haven't done the back seat. And that's where the majority, sorry for the shakiness, of the short pet hair is. And this is a pain in the butt sometimes to pull up. Let's see what kind of agitation we can get with that. Let's just make a mess. Alright, let's see what kind of suction we can get when we vacuum that up. Alright, now my go-to normally for short hair like this is my lily brush. Let's see how that compares. One, you don't have stuff flying everywhere. And you can see, did the lily brush get everything up first pass? No, but we could go back over it and very easily get that up. So would I say that the car and pet hair brush is as effective as the lily brush? On seats, I don't know. Let's try it again. Let's give it one more chance. Let's just do it the same direction like we did the lily brush. It's kind of pushing the pet hair back all over the place. Kind of having to go back over it. Try the lily brush on those areas that were a little bit more difficult. And you can just see this method is just a little bit, in my opinion, more effective with removing pet hair from seats, especially short hair. Alright guys, so you can see we've gone ahead and vacuumed these parts of the seats. We've been able to agitate. Would I say that this is the best on seats? Probably not. Would it get the job done? Yes, I believe so. It might take longer, but in the long run, I think the lily brush is definitely more effective with getting pet hair off of seats. So would I say that this is the only tool you need? No, I'm actually going to recommend that if you are a detailer, that you have a variety of brushes like this to be able to handle any type of scenario that you have. Short hair, impossible carpets with straw, grass, long pet hair that's kind of deeply ingrained into the carpet. If you have long pet hair or, you know, a lot of sensitive plastics that you want to be mindful of, this is going to be great. I do enjoy the handle. You can kind of get in there and not worry about your hands getting so cut up. I have one that has a long handle that's thinner. That is really great. Like if you have pet hair kind of jammed in these tighter spaces, you can get that in there. But I've actually used mine so much that I've broken all of the plastic bristles on the front. That's why I needed a replacement, so I thought this would be a good option. And I'm actually really glad that I bought it. I think it's going to fit well within my world. So would I recommend this for a detailer if you're looking for, you know, a cheap, you know, product, very affordable at a retail location? Yes, I would definitely recommend this car and pet and lint hairbrush. This is fantastic. I unfortunately don't have a pet for me to kind of test it on the inside of your home, but I would imagine if you have a home like with couches or stairs or even clothing, this would be a good option for you to just kind of loosen up, get things moving, and be able to vacuum it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick review on this product. If you have any questions about it or, you know, want to know locations that you can get it, I purchased mine at Pep-Boys. I'm not quite sure if it's available at AutoZone or things like that, but I know a lot of car and products are available at Walmart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm going to keep moving on this because you can see I've got a lot more work cut out for me. But we'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.